Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make curry buns. Start by combining 250 grams of bread flour with 5 grams of active dry yeast and a pinch of sugar. Warm 150 milliliters of milk to about 40 degrees Celsius and mix it in. Knead the dough for approximately 10 minutes until it feels smooth and elastic. Then, place it in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. Next, prepare your delicious curry filling. Sauté 100 grams of diced onions with 200 grams of ground meat, such as pork or beef, until it is nicely browned. Stir in 2 tablespoons of curry powder and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Gradually add 250 milliliters of chicken broth, simmering until the mixture thickens. Ensure the filling cools completely before you proceed to the next step. Now it's time to assemble your curry buns. Gently punch down the risen dough and divide it into 8 equal pieces, each weighing about 60 grams. Roll each piece into a flat, 5-inch circle. Place approximately 2 tablespoons of the cooled curry filling in the center of each dough circle. Carefully gather the edges of the dough and pinch them together firmly to seal the bun, ensuring no filling escapes. For the final step, heat about 500 milliliters of vegetable oil in a deep pan to 170 degrees Celsius, or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the buns into the hot oil, frying them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Once fried, remove them and let them drain on a wire rack or paper towels. Serve your delicious, warm curry buns immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.